I've wanted to be an interior designer since I was a young teenager, and what really attracted me to the field is vintage furniture and mid-century homes. So for me, the ideal thing is to be an interior designer and also be able to be a purveyor of vintage furniture, restoring and refurbishing old pieces that can get a new life in someone's home. I spent a lot of time looking into different programs in the area that were going to allow me to pursue interior design. I thought the great thing about SCC's program was that it had a big focus on getting you straight into the workplace. The community college experience is so immersive and really lets you get in touch with what it is that you want to do. There's a focus on getting yourself into the career field. So it's not just a hypothetical academic experience purely. You get that in-class learning as well as that focus on getting you ready to enter the career field. My favorite part of Scottsdale Community College and my education here has been the really engaging classes. So having a small class size is really wonderful for being able to connect with your professors and be able to get even more out of the class than just sitting down and learning the material. My advisor in the interior design program has helped keep me on track with my degree requirement. So anytime I've had a question about how much I need to do, as a transfer student, I was transferring in a lot of courses from my first bachelor's degree. And so making sure I checked all the boxes on my electives was great. And just having a resource there who could guide me through my program requirements. I have loved every class I'm taking. And the most interesting ones to me have been ones that allow me to use AutoCAD work. So being able to apply the AutoCAD classes within the courses that I'm taking. What I love about the SCC faculty in my program is that they are really invested truly in our success and growth. So when I've asked for any additional help, even outside of the classroom, they are so fast to provide any assistance they can. And that really close-knit feeling of my program is what has made SCC really great for me. Go Jokes!